Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from Bramesh Tech Analysis, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty and USD INR analysis for the coming week. Last week we have seen like on 6th and 7th Nifty made a top and an outside bar pattern after that, and after that the market has been in totally sideways zone. And on the weekly, if I see Nifty has formed a perfect, a very small spinning top kind of candlestick after a big move which we have seen in the last week of almost 4%. So what is coming in what we can see in the coming week, what are the levels we will discuss. So let me first start with the Astro analysis. As you can see here, this is the sheet of my Astro analysis. You can see on 14th, we have almost 7 Astro events which are happening. I'll not discuss everything, but few of them which are very important, like on 12th, we have an important Bears rule, 12th being an holiday. So 13th will be an important, and on 13th, if you can see here, we have this Venus trying Uranus in heliocentric, which is basically from the sun side, and it leads to a big turning point in the market. 14th September will be very important for the crude. So basically, whenever we get multiple astro events together, you tend to see a good move in the market. As you can see here on 6, we have almost 7 astro events, and after that the market 6 only we made a top, and after that we corrected, and the same is getting repeated on 14, 7 astro events. So very very important date. So let's first quickly discuss. So on 12th we have an important rule of Bayes. So this is Handbook of Trend Determination by George Bayes. It was written in 1940, and he's referring to the rule 27 when he says Mercury speed in longitude geocentric is 59 minutes or 1 degree 58 minutes. And he has clearly told uh, it is hard to realize anyone of modern education that ancient knew all about the movement of Mercury, about its effect on the human brain. So Mercury affect a lot on human brain, and this he has written almost in 1940. So it is a very very important rule. And what exactly is this rule is, let me quickly showcase it to you. So speed is on 58 minutes, 59 minutes, and 1 degree 58 minutes. And whenever this particular thing happens, you see some good turning points in the market. See here, this was a major bottom. After that, we had a good rally, and again a major bottom here, a good rally, a major top, and a good fall in the market. You know, so this rule works a lot of, again a major top and a good fall in the market. So this rule works really nice. So this is an important rule. So this is the one astro event which is happening. Another one which we just told, like Venus trine Uranus in heliocentric, basically when you're looking from the sun side. And you can see here a major bottom was made. After that market consolidated and launched a big rally, and here it formed a perfect bottom again kind of a bottom, and after that a good trending move which continued, a good bottom here. So this is a very important rule where we see a major turning point in the market. And next is Neptune is at the lowest point, I mean nearest to the earth. So this happens very rarely, but again whenever it happens, you see I've seen many times, like market will consolidate then see a good a decent fall whenever this particular astro event happens. So this time it rallied. I mean, out of 5 to 10 times I've seen see a good fall coming into the market. This happens once in a while only, so it's a very important level to be watched out for. Again, a small fall in the market, and this one we get a good move. So basically, it generally leads to a trending move whenever this particular thing happens. And next is on 14th March is going for ingress. It is going in Libra. Now, I mean, few of the viewers have asked me like which planet will be impacted. So this is Mars, and these are the stocks which you can keep an eye on, because Mars will basically deal with, let me quickly show you, construction, sports, defense, automobile industries, and pharma sectors. So these are the stocks which are part of automobile, pharma, and even energy, because Neptune is also there. So IEX is something which is very red hot stock now. you can keep an eye on, and all these stocks should be on a watch list for the coming week, because Mars is going in ingress. So having said that, these are the important astro events which are happening. Now let's quickly jump to the technicals. First is, let me quickly show you about Nifty. Nifty is almost completing its PRZ zone at 17,450, an important level to be watched out. If 17,450 is broken, then 17,576. This is something which we need to watch on. Bank Nifty is again struggling near its PRZ zone of 32,719. As you can see here, last week also it struggled around this zone. And let me show you this. I mean, this is our neural analysis. As you can see here, we are expecting a fall in USG. For next 2 days and 14th, we can see a bottom in USG. Let me quickly move to Nifty around 1415. It is showing top and bottom, a kind of bottom for, sorry, top for Bank Nifty, and from there a good fall. And similarly, if I see for Nifty also, again topping out formation and a kind of fall which it is showing. So now, having said all these things, let's quickly jump to the levels which are paramount for us. So for Nifty, I'm watching out for 17,350 as my trend deciding level. Bank Nifty 36,729 and USD INR 73.58. And as I told you, Mars and Neptune are the two important planet which will affect the coming week. So construction, sport, defense, automobile industry, and pharma and electricity. These needs to be taken. I mean, these are the sectors which you can watch out for, and stocks have already shared it with you. So this is what it is. I've shared an important astro event. So 13th, 14th, important date, and after that 16th, which is again some important astro events which I'll try to discuss in my next video. So let's watch out. What market has in store. So stay disciplined, trade with the right position size, and we will see a good move in the market in the coming week after the sideways move we have seen in the last week. So be prepared to ride a trending move. Thank you very much. Stay disciplined.